Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the length formula, left as well as the right formula in a Microsoft Excel. With the help of the length formula you can find out the length of your cell data. Further we are also going to discuss how to separate the PAN number from your GST number via the Excel formula. Further, if you are going to file your TDS return or if you want to pay your TDS, then you have to specify company deductee or a non-company deductee in your TDS challenge or a TDS return. So in this video we are going to discuss how to find the company deductee or a non-company deductee from your PAN with the help of the Excel formula. Let us discuss. Let us start. First we will discuss how to find out the length of a particular cell. Suppose I want to find the length of my this cell, then I just here press equal to, write len, bracket open, select my particular cell, bracket close. You will find that length of my cell is 10. So in this cell there is a 10 alphanumeric word is appearing. So length of this cell is 10. Suppose I want to find out length of this cell, then I just press equal to, I will write len, bracket open, select particular cell, bracket close. You will find the answer that length of this cell is 15. Suppose I want to find the length of this cell, then I just copy by pressing Ctrl C, and here I will paste by pressing Ctrl plus V. Here you will find that it will give me the answer of the cell C7. So it will answer me the length of this C7. So in this way you can also copy the formula in your Excel. Next, the left formula. Suppose this is the GST number or particular cell data. If you want to separate the first 5 alphabet or first 5 cell data from your cell data, then how can you separate? You have to just write equal to left, bracket open, select your particular cell. Here you have to press comma, and here if you want to separate the first 5 letter from your cell, then here you have to write 5 and bracket close. Here you will find that first 5 data is 24 ABC, 24 ABC. Suppose if you want, instead of 5, if you want 8, then just write 8 here and bracket close. You will get 24 ABC DE1. So in this way the left formula will work. Suppose if you want that from the right hand side some of the data you want to bifurcate or separate, then you have to use just right formula equal to RIGAT, bracket open, select particular cell, press comma. Suppose I want to separate 10 cell data from my particular cell, then I will write 10 here, bracket close. Now you will find that DE1125N1ZZ. Here you will find that 10 cell data is separate from my whole cell data. If I am changing here, instead of 10 I am changing here 2, you will find that last 2 digit will appearing here. So in this way the left and the right formula will work in Excel. Next, the use of the left and right formula will appear here. Suppose if you want to find out the PAN number from your GST number, friends, this is the GST number. First we will find whether this GST number is correct or not. Friends, GST number is the 15 digit alphanumeric number. So I will first find out the length of my GST number. So I will write here equal to len, bracket open, select my particular cell and bracket close. Here you will find that my length of the GST number is 15. So I hope it will be correct. Next, now in the GST number first 2 digit is for a state code, then this is the PAN number. So from ABCDE1125N, this is the PAN number, and the last 3 digit is some another digit, that is alphanumeric digit. So I have to separate this 10 digit which are appearing between the GST number. So how can I separate? So I have to write here by use of the left formula equal to LEFT bracket open. Here I have to select my particular cell. I have to press comma. Now I have to separate first 1ZZ from my remaining cell. So I have to remove 1ZZ. So I am writing here 12. So it will give me the first 12 letter from my GST number. So here you will find that 1ZZ is removed. Now here 24 is appearing and after 24 there is the PAN number. So I will use here the right formula equal to RIGHT bracket open, select this data, I will press here comma. Now here I will write 10 and bracket close. So here you will find that 24 is removed and this is my PAN number. So in this way you can separate the PAN number from your GST number via the use of the Excel formula. So length will be useful to find out whether the length of a particular cell is correct or not. Left and the right will be useful to separate the PAN number from your GST number. Next, if you want to find the company deductee or a non-company deductee from the PAN, then you will understand first of all that in the fourth letter of your PAN number, if you will find C, then it will be the company deductee, otherwise it will be the non-company deductee. So fourth letter you have to highlight. So I will here, first of all, I will write here whether the length of my PAN number is correct or not. So I will write here equal to LEN bracket open, select my particular cell and bracket close. So length of my PAN is 10, that is the correct. So the PAN is the 10 digit alphanumeric number, so this is the correct. So I will copy down all my length formula in the remaining cell. So all my PAN number is correct because all are having the length of the cell data is 10. So all PAN number is correct. Now here I will use the left formula. So I will select here by pressing equal to the particular cell. I will press here equal to bracket open, select particular cell. I will press comma. Now I have to select here first 4 digit. So I will write here first only 4 number, bracket close. I have to write here left, bracket close. So here you will find the first 4 digit will appear. Next, I will again show you. Here I have to press equal to, I have to write left. I will bracket open here, select the particular cell. I have to write here 4 because I want first 4 letter. So I have to write here 4. I will bracket close here. Here you will find that my first 4 digit is appeared. Now I will copy down my all formula in the remaining cell. So in the all cell you will find that the left formula is copied. Now you can find out the first 4 letter by the way of left formula. Now here you have to use right formula. So I will use here equal to RIGHT bracket open, select particular cell, and from the right hand side I will use only 1. So I want only 1 letter, so I will use here 1 and bracket close. So here you will find only 1, that is the last alphabet appearing in my left formula cell, and I will copy this formula and press in the remaining cell. So in this way I will find out. Now I have to filter. So I am selecting this and I am filtering my data. Now you can use here from the right filter. Here you have to select only C. So this 3 is your company deductee, and if you selecting without C, then this is your non-company directory. Further, if you don't want to find out it with the help of right formula, you can also find with the help of only left formula. Here you have to text filter. Here you have to select end with, and end with you have to select C and press OK. You will find that this 310 is the company directory, other is the non-company directory. So in this way you can use the length formula, left formula as well as the right formula. You can also find out the PAN number from the GST number. You can also find out the company directory or a non-company directory with the help of PAN via using the Excel formula. So I hope you will understand. In the next video we will discuss another features about the Microsoft Excel. Thank you.